Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, a staunch defense from coffee farmers amid claims that they are contributing to the degradation of the Blue and John Crow Mountains. Environmentalists have warned that the sites are in danger of losing their UNESCO World Heritage Site status. We visited Hagley and Penlike District in St. Thomas recently, where the people are hitting back, accusing the authorities of double standards and overall neglect. The details in this report. In the lush tropical forest of the Blue Mountains, this is what stands out. Acres of burnt land. And even as we filmed, we couldn't help but notice smoke coming from a section of the hills. It's because of scenes like these, environmentalists have sounded the alarm. The Blue and John Crow Mountains are under threat and are in danger of losing their World Heritage status. Coffee farmers have been fingered as the main culprits, with the Jamaica Conservation and Development Trust arguing last week that the farmers are incrementally destroying the area due to poor farming techniques like the slash and burn method.
No coffee farmer, no really do no slash and burn, because I or any farmer not going to have them coffee and really light fire and know that the fire going to burn it.
You can't just attacking people and attacking coffee farmers. Coffee farmers. Why coffee farmers?
So if not coffee farmers, then who?
You have one light down the bottom district there. People coming from going to Peak. And during the night, because that is a track road. A road that leads from Mavis Bank. Come up. It's a trail. But it's a walk trail. And people come up during the night and light the fire. And maybe them just look like them just make a heap and light it on that fire, because no one is there to out it after them gone. It just go on and burn and burn and burn.
Additionally, the people who burn trees for coal are also among the culprits. The people argue that the authorities are out of touch, pointing to the lack of resources to adequately monitor the heritage sites.
We don't need people coming from Kingston to do the work in the area. We need people in the area to educate and be the watchman of the people that come in and destroying our district and community.
There's a cover charge of $20 for non-residents to use the Blue Mountain Trail. For residents, the cost is $200 Jamaican dollars. And with hundreds of visitors to the attraction yearly, the people question why some of the funds aren't used to develop the area.
The government do worse to the Blue Mountain more than even what my farmer them do by lighting fires, because the government advertise the Blue Mountain worldwide, all over the world, and the government past and present, them not do nothing for the Blue Mountain. Nothing. I me go Chilani, me go Westmoreland, me go Albert, and me see Canefield, me a drive and me say they have good road.
If you decide to bypass the trail, this is the condition of the road leading to the hike. It's even worse when it rains. Because of the deterioration over the years, public transportation no longer runs in the area. Instead, bike taxis are big business. For farmers, four-wheel drive vehicles are a must, and donkeys are used to carry load. Driving up the hill takes great skill, which we learned the hard way. Our news vehicle almost did not make it to the top, and it took several efforts for us to be rescued. As we found out, this is a usual occurrence.
We're going up?
Yeah.
The most and the best coffee come from up there, so where you have to pass here, so forget it. The most tourists we go to Blue Mountain, we come here every year, have to pass here, so and look at the condition. So where's all the money, where the profit I do? Every minute you hear a man fall down or in vehicle mash up because of them things. We have to do better and we need help. So we have to do better, make the road from Morganville to Papine be accessible for everybody. Where you don't have to bus a tire, you don't have to drive through the gully if you live.